No, because we have to drive to Torino.
The
other day we drive back to Germany.
Oh no, not now! Christmas is coming! Hello, Elf!
Hey, Buzz! What's going on?
The gift wrappings are not uniform, irregular thickness, inconsistent density. Nothing is right.
But how did you even see that?
With Scantech scanners, of course. Nothing gets past them. And now, back to work. Fix this right away.
Okay.
With Scantech scanners, nothing escapes our control. Merry Christmas, everybody! Ho, 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 ho. On est bon?
Ouais.
Parfait.